Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the filter on this Xiaomi Roborock vacuum cleaner. So I'm just going to pull this out. This is the container and that's the filter. As you can see, the filter is very dirty and it just needs to be replaced. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I've got better lighting here. I will show you just a bit of a close-up of how it looks like. There's a lot of dust on this filter. And this is the new filter. You can buy this online through eBay or a couple of other stores. So taking the filter is pretty easy. There's this one side here which has a image where you can pull it out. So once you've pulled it out, all you need to do is replace it with the new one. So just open the new filter. Just struggling a little bit. Just open on this side. So this is a new one. Just have to put it where this clip is. Make sure it's on the same side where you removed it. It can go only one way, so you won't be damaging the unit. Just need to push it in and you clip in just like that, and that's it. So that's the new one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the container, the canister. Just give it a bit of a clean using the wipes, antibacterial wipes. Once that's done, just pop it back in and that's it. So let me just get one of these wipes. It's getting a bit stuck here. Okay, just give it a wipe on the outside and on the inside. Probably can wipe it before you put the new filter in. That might be a better way of doing it. But either way, just give it a good clean. Just wipe it. Just let it dry for a couple of minutes if you want to. Just gonna get the wipe and just put it over this old one. Just throw that away and just get a tissue or something just to dry the insides. Just don't want to make it wet and use it, or you can just put it out in the sun to dry it. Either way, just make sure it's nice and clean before you put it back. There you go, looks pretty clean to me. And let's put it back. Now putting it back is very straightforward. Open the lid and just put the dustbin back in and done. There you go. One thing you can do on the Xiaomi app is if you go to you can actually reset the percentage or how much of the consumable has been used. So I've already reset my one, so it says 100%. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.